Gokarna is a charming little temple town nestled in the Uttara Kannada district of Karnataka. Gokarna is often referred to as the Kashi of the South. When it comes to beach destinations, Gokarna ranks among the best in India. One of its most famous beaches is Om Beach, which is a must visit. Watching the sunset over the Arabian Sea is an unforgettable experience. Om Beach in Gokarna provides stunning views as the sun dips below the horizon. The surrounding hills are perfect for hiking, and there are plenty of exciting water sports to try out at Om Beach, like speedboating and surfing. You can even hop on a boat for a leisurely ride, so not everything might be available all the time. Gokarna, set in hilly terrain, is an ideal destination for trekking enthusiasts. Om Beach in Gokarna is known for its spiritual significance, shaped like the sacred Om symbol, which holds great importance for locals. Om is widely recognized as one of the most powerful sounds in the world, and chanting it with sincerity can fill one with positive energy, calming both body and mind. Om Beach draws in both local and international visitors throughout the year, providing beautiful photographic opportunities during dawn and dusk. The sand is soft and fine, complementing the majestic rock formations. The prime time to visit Om Beach in Gokarna is generally between October and March, following the end of the monsoon season. We hope you enjoyed this video. To keep the great content coming, please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for your support.